Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters everywhere. Welcome to your new session of Tajweed. Today, inshallah, we will study the third rule of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. If you remember, we studied two rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. The first one was Izhar. Izhar is to make clear for Noon Sakinah or Tanween if they are followed by one of the throat letters. I will remind you now by one of them. If you have, for example, min haqq, Noon Sakinah followed by ha. Ha is the throat letter, so we clear the sound of the noon. Or aliman hakima. Or aliman is clear. We don't make ghunna. We don't make aliman. This is wrong. We say aliman hakima like this. This is Izhar. Idgham, if you have Noon Sakinah or Tanween followed by a letter of Yarmalun. Ya, Noon, Meem, Waw for Idgham with ghunna. Ra and Lam for Idgham without ghunna. A quick example for this is Man yu'min inaban wa qadba. So this is Waw in the word inaban wa qadba. Waw comes after Tanween in the word inaban. We say inaban wa qadba. This is merged with ghunna. Without ghunna is like Ghafurur Rahim or like Mir Rabbil Alameen. This is Idgham. Today, inshallah, we will study the third rule, which is called Iqlab. Iqlab means to convert. Convert the Noon Sakinah or Tanween sound to Meem sound. If you have Noon Sakinah or Tanween followed by Ba, the letter Ba, remember only one letter, the letter Ba. If the letter Ba comes after Noon Sakinah or Tanween, we convert the sound of In to Im. We have two opinions in this point. Some scholars said that we close the lips while pronouncing the Meem, which is converted from the Noon. Others said we don't close the lips. Anyway, you will pronounce the Noon Sakinah or Tanween like Meem if it is followed by Ba. In one word, like the word La yunbadanna fil hutama. La yunbadanna. It is Noon, La yun, Ba. La yunbadan, Noon followed by Ba. We convert the Noon to Meem. You will find in the Mus'haf, Meem is written above the letter Noon if it is converted to Meem because of the coming Ba. La yunbadanna. Another example is in the word between two words, Min ba'd. Min ba'd or Min ba'di dhalik. So Noon Sakinah is followed by Ba. We convert the Noon into Meem because it is followed by Ba. Last example for Tanween. If you have Tanween followed by Ba, like Alimun bidhat as-sudur. How can we read this? Inna Allah alimun bidhat as-sudur. Inna Allah alimun bidhat as-sudur. So this is Iqlab. Iqlab is if you have Noon Sakinah or Tanween followed by the letter Ba, we convert the Noon into Meem. Now we came to the end of our session. I will remind you for the three studied rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. We studied three rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. The first one was Izhar. If you have Noon Sakinah or Tanween followed by a throat letter, we pronounce the Noon or the Tanween clearly because it is followed by a throat letter. The second rule was Idgham with ghunna or without ghunna. If Noon Sakinah or Tanween is followed by a letter of Yarmalun, we merge the Noon Sakinah and Tanween into the next letter. If it is a letter of Yanmu, Ya, Noon, Meem, Waw, it will be merged with ghunna. If it is Ra or Lam, it will be merged without ghunna. The third rule, which was studied today, is Iqlab. Iqlab is to convert the Noon Sakinah or Tanween into Meem because it is followed by Ba. Don't forget dua for me. This is Ahmed Noor and this is your channel QTA. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.